Hi guys, welcome to Sea Bear Scratchers. We're playing the lottery is taking a chance of winning some money. So please hit that like, subscribe, share, and that notification bell, guys. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Alright guys, we're doing a $20 session of the Lucky Dogs. We're doing tickets 55 to 64. And we have to find this matching dog in here or find a doghouse, which I hope we do. And the odds on this ticket are 1 in 4.53. So yeah, I've got 10 of these to make a $20 session. Yep. So, whoops, stop shaking. Come on, Sadie, you gotta move. Now this is Sage. We gotta find Sage in here. See if we can find a matching dog. We got us a Duke dog. We got Junior, Coco, Ginger, and Coda. No, Sage. Okay, we got a Goose. We got a winner. Cha-ching. Woohoo, we got a win. We got a Sage. We got a Jack and a Baxter and a Wrigley. Come on, Sage, what we got from you, Sage? $2 holla. Woohoo! Yep. We got Sage. We got $2. $56. Ticket 56. Alright, let's see what we got. This time we're looking for Brady, guys. We got Misty, Coco, Ginger, Baxter, Lola. We got Duke, Junior, Fido, Sage, and Wrigley. And we got no Brady. On ticket 56, no Brady. Yep, alright, let's see what we got here. We're looking for Bruno. We got Sage, Goose, Jack, and Rover, and Spot. Spot is the Dalmatian dog. We got Ella, Sadie, Bailey, Coco, and Max. Maximilian dog. Hey, Max. Alright, guys, no Bruno. We got Ella and Sage. Alright, so move on ticket 58. See what we can find. But this time we're looking for Ginger, guys. We got Aggie, Max, Fido, Duke, and Bruno, the German Shepherd. Come on, Ginger. Coco, Ella, and Goose. Alright, let's see what we got here. Nope. No Ginger, but these are cute dogs though. But I am keeping these, trying to cut them circles out and make a matching pair game for my kids at work. Yep. And we're looking for Max. Come on, Max. Sadie. Goose. Sage. We got Daisy, Spot, Misty, Bailey, and Duke. No winner here. Wonk wonk. Yep. I might have to save the scratcher dust. Because Scratching to Retire that does the sketches, they're collecting scratcher dust. They're out in North Carolina too. We're looking for Bailey now. We got Lola, Ella, Luna, Bruce, and Jack. Hey Maximilian, Max, Ginger, Rover, Brady, and Baxter. Baxter looks like a brown lab. I don't know what kind of dog you would call Baxter. If he would be considered a black lab. Come on, I need to find the doghouse now. We need to find the doghouse. No Bailey on this one, guys. Nope. Let's go to ticket 61. I'm using my Papa Bear opener scratcher. We got Spot, Fido, Rover, Goose, and Aggie. We're looking for Miss Ella Deer. We got Coco, Baxter, Coda, Misty, Lola, where you been? I think scratching these dogs. I like these tickets. I like it when we had the $1 tickets to this. Well, no Ella Deer. Alright, let's see. Come on, we gotta find something better than $2 out of 20. We're looking for Misty this time. Okay, we got Duke, Spot, Ginger, Sadie, Rover, or no, that's Bruno. There's Rover. Dino, Junior is a poodle. Fido, and Luna. This work week has gone by fast. It's been a week since I've been home. Yep, no Misty there. Come on, 63. Come on, we gotta find something else out of this batch. We're looking for Bruce. Come on, Bruce. Jack, Baxter, Spot, Bruno. Come on, Sadie. Come on, Bruce. We need to find the Bruce. We got Rover, Luna, Dino, Goose, and Coda. $63. Do what you love and what you do. Yep, okay. Last and final ticket for this round, guys. Okay, we got Sadie. Come on, Sadie. Give me some good. We got Sage. Come on, Sadie. We want a nice win. Come on. Woohoo! Yahoo! We got a win, guys. $4 on the Sadie. Come on, give us another Sadie. We got Fido. We got $4 holla. Coda. Are you Max? Bruno. Aggie. Max. No, that's Bruce. And we got Coco. Hey, Coco. What you work, Coco? Coco, how much money you worth, Coco? We got $4. Ooh, Coco, you didn't treat me right. $4. Yep. I don't know when's the next time I'm going to go live, guys. I just got a few tickets. I'm making a couple of videos. Gotta save up for my cruise. Sadie. Alright, guys. And my boss went to California for a vacation. And she brought me back this Lucky Penny from Sacramento, California. Santa Monica Resort. I'm having it up here like the one Ernie gave me to see if I could win anything for luck. Yep. Alright, guys. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, share, and that notification bell, guys. I'm going to send you how to hit dancing.